What's up YouTube? Thought I'd take you along the process of reinstalling the headlights to the LS1 Hilux. It's going to be a bit of a process doing it because I'm not staying with those headlights because honestly they're not the best what I paid for. I reckon the candle's brighter than them. So that's what she looks like at the moment. I'll do a bit of a time-lapse video. I'll end up taking the bull bar off it as well, getting that ready to prep it and paint it as well, and maybe cut a couple of brackets and stuff off. Don't need side brackets like that one there and stuff like that. So if you're willing to journey, please follow, subscribe, tell your mates. It's in the process of getting built back up, so hopefully I might even start the V8 up. Obviously you have to put the extractors and plug leads back on it, but I'll do a live video of it. Well, I'll do a video of it. Hasn't been started for about say 3 months roughly. Hopefully she still runs right, so please enjoy it. Well, that didn't take as long as I thought. They're not actually the best. Still got to put the indicators and stuff in them. I'll have to get out a bit more light for you. I'm going to pull them apart. As you can see, they've got dirt and mud in it when she had the last bath of life, reseal them properly. Obviously these indicators came with those headlights. I've just separated the lens off it and painted the inside black, which will, if I can get that in there properly, so it's there. Obviously it's going to look a lot better once it's cleaned up, but I'll do that after once the bull bar's off. So here it is. Time to pull the bull bar off and do a quick little time lapse of that, I reckon. Maybe, actually, yeah. I'll do it live, well, without time lapse, and see how it goes. As you probably realise, these videos are only amateur at the moment, so making them raw, might as well go. I'll go from there. Go. One more bar off to get ready for prep paintwork and bit of straightening out by the looks of it. But that'll be another video. Catch you later. Remember to subscribe, like, and all that stuff. And I'll be back. Catch you later.